And you are Aslan. And welcome to the FitzMagic Show. Hi guys, and welcome to the vlog today. Our dad's not here, so we get to do the trick of the day.
Wait, what? I'm here. Let's do this trick. What's up, guys? It's Saturday evening.
I have a surprise to show you.
Oh yeah, Aslan has something she wants to show you.
I got mini figures. And can I tell you something?
Who's this one? Hold on. Who's this one?
Una.
Una
Una the mermaid.
Okay, and then who's this one?
Elena. From Elena City.
They were from blind bags.
Yes,
blind
they were.
Bags.
Yes.
Blind bags. Okay. Rayleigh got more basketball cards, by the way. Oh.
Well, remember that video where I showed you all my first collection?
It was a couple days ago.
Yes, it was. And it was the Peter Piper day. I had 90 cards. I just got 90 more cards with 2 pairs, but I separated them. It's really cool.
Okay. We got 52 cards. There's probably less than 52 cards here, but it's pretty close to 52. So we're going to shuffle them up.
Why'd you just lick me, Aslan?
Did she really?
Yeah, she did. She licked right here.
I'll just shuffle these.
Ouch, you're
All right.
hurting you're hurting me.
We're going to make this a...
It's also called the Tooth Show.
No, it's not. It's called the FitzMagic Show. We're going to try to speed this up a bit because it's kind of getting crazy already, and we want to go in the pool.
So do a really short
Vlog? Vlog.
She said vlog.
Vlog, she did. She meant vlog. It's all good. We know
I got this
Rayleigh, pick a
new
card.
metal card.
Pick one. That one? Pull it out. Pull it out. Show the people. I won't look. You got it?
Yes, I am.
Put it anywhere in the pack you want. Still not looking.
Every time I put the top one.
You close it? Or did you put it back?
Yeah.
You got it?
Can I put the top one?
So, Vlog mistake 101. I left the ceiling fan on. That makes noise on the microphone. Okay, hold on. Let's see. Rayleigh?
Yes.
Will you do me a favor? Will you go turn... Hold on. Go turn the ceiling fan off.
Yeah.
Just ignore that.
Is it the
mess.
middle?
It's the middle, yeah. And
I turned it off.
You turned it off. And what do you...
I did not turn it on, so...
Wait. What's going on? What's going on up there? Wait a minute. What is that? Do you see what I see?
What's on your fan?
Looks like there's a card. On my...
Dad, did you purposely leave your fan on?
Rayleigh, what was your card?
4 diamonds.
4 diamonds? What's that card?
4 diamonds. Spinning and spinning. And I love Despicable Me 3 because we watched it in 3D today.
4 diamonds on the ceiling fan. I made a jump from the cards to the ceiling fan.
Yes, and today we watched Despicable Me 3 and we watched it in 3D glasses.
We did. It was crazy.
And I took off my glasses in the movie a couple times.
I hope you guys are more impressed with that trick than these two are, because I thought it was pretty cool. The car jumped from the deck onto the ceiling fan. Thanks for watching the FitzMagic Show. Tune in tomorrow for a brand new episode.
Boom!